DIY to increase breast size. Breasts after feeding a child generally become loose and saggy. The level of sagginess and looseness vary from woman to woman depending on her physical fitness and how well she has recovered after delivery. But unfortunately, most of the women face sagging breasts after breastfeeding. The popular methods of treating sagginess in busts are risky and expensive, and these do not suit every woman either. In this video, you will know tips to increase cup size, non-surgical method.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any updates from Women Health. Get email mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Here are effective home remedies for sagging breasts that provide tighter, firmer, and fuller busts and complete care without any risk of side effect or at the extraordinary expense. DIY to increase breast size. Aloe Vera Gel. It is natural health, fitness, and beauty treatment. The varied properties of this gel make it a good choice for breast care and fix sagging. Take fresh aloe vera gel and beat it to make its consistency smooth. Apply the gel over busts in circular motions for 10 minutes. Cover your mounds completely from base to top and let the gel stay for another 10 minutes. Wash off with warm water and repeat this regularly for a few weeks to get firmness back. Shea Butter. In the same manner, you can try using shea butter in place of aloe vera gel. The healthy fats present in this butter promote cell generation and adipose tissues to lift sagging busts. Bonus tip. For even faster and better treatment, you can use Big B36 capsules and oil. These herbal preparations come with herbs that naturally make sagging breasts firm and lift them by promoting the growth of adipose tissues. These supplements dissolve painful lumps and cysts and keep a woman protected from these. The use of these supplements maintains cell generation and other processes that get disturbed during pregnancy, lactation, and cause breast-related problems. These supplements are harmless and women of any age can use these without any worries about side effects. These supplements do not need any medical prescription before use and there are no withdrawal symptoms. If you want to know how to get Big B36 capsules and oil discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Ice massage. Ice massage needs to be done carefully, but it is a very useful and convenient way to tighten the loose breast. Pack 2 to 3 ice cubes in a cloth and apply over bare busts, forming circular motions moving from the top part to base. Do not take more than a minute to massage one breast. Ice contact for more than a minute can cause numbness. Immediately put on a bra and rest for 20 to 30 minutes in a reclining position. Repeat this massage 4 to 5 times in a week to cure sagging breasts after breastfeeding. Pomegranate Seed Oil. You can use pomegranate seed oil to massage busts regularly. This oil has excellent properties to make busts fuller and firmer and is one of the easiest effective home remedies for sagging bosom. Eggs. Eggs are very useful and lift sagging breasts by supplementing protein and vitamins that promote the growth of adipose tissues and promote cell generation. Take 1 or 2 eggs white and beat it till it turns foamy. Apply this evenly over busts, covering them entirely, and leave for 15 minutes. You can slice 1 cucumber or 1 to 2 onions and extract their juice. Wash off the egg white layer with any of these juices for better effects. You can use water too if cucumber or onion is not available. Repeat a few times in a week to tighten the loose breast. Exercises. Regular exercises also help in pulling up sagging busts and make them tighter and firmer. Bench press, arm raises, roundabout push-ups, etc. are few exercises for sagging breast after breastfeeding and improve fitness as well. Conclusion. Follow all these tips, practice exercises, and take Big B36 capsules and oil for faster results. These natural pills balance hormones, increase size, make them firm, strengthen tissues, and improve cleavage. World's finest bust enlargement supplements.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Big B36 capsules and oil from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.